So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Avinia Vyom Sigma, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Magarpatta, Pune, and developed by Vyom Sigma. In this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल, Avinia Vyom Sigma will be constructed on 11 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 5 podium plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 6 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर RTO कैंप हड़पसर, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है SP Infocity विद इन 4.6 किलोमीटर, ऑल्सो हड़पसर DMart विद इन 5 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part, with the help of 3D model, project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool with jacuzzi, mini golf, co-working spaces, stargazing deck, kids play area, senior sit out area, skating rink and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Avinia Vyom Sigma has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 6 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 946 to 960 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1213 to 1375 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1780 square feet to 1900 square feet and 6 BHKs with 2500 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the offers of the project. Avinia Vyom Sigma आपको provide कर रहा है Festive Avinia Jackpot offer, in which 5 winners will be selected by the lucky draw. First winner will be getting Skoda Slavia Signature, second winner will be getting Royal Enfield Meteor and last 3 winners will be getting iPhone 16 Pro. And this offer will be valid between of booking 22 September to 15 of November. Refer your friend and get additional 1 lakh off during the period. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site. Also, our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Avinia Vyom Sigma, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Magarpatta, Pune and developed by Vyom Sigma. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशंस में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.